Remote work is no longer a trend, it is fast becoming the default. And for expats in Germany, this creates massive opportunity. Because let's be honest, you need money to survive in Germany, but most local jobs require fluent German. So many internationals feel stuck in this loop. I need money to live, but I need German to get the job that gives me money. So the real question is, can you earn euros from your living room in English without waiting to reach B2 level? The answer is yes, but only if you know where to look. In this video, I'm going to be breaking down real online side hustles for expats in Germany, including the specific platforms hiring right now. Let's dive in. Category 1, the quick start hustles. These jobs have a low barrier to entry. It's perfect if you are a student or you just need cash flow immediately. First on our list, transcription and data entering. This involves turning audio into text, cleaning spreadsheets, or simple admin tasks. It's repetitive, it won't make you rich, but it's one of the easiest ways to start earning. Where to apply? Transcribe Me, Clickworker, this is a German company and very reliable. Micro Workers, ZenJob, specially made for students, sometimes has English tasks. Rev.com. Rev is strict about location. It works for the US, UK, Canada, Australia, and a few others. I've put the full list in the description, or you can check out their subtitling page for other languages. Second, we have user testing. This is simply testing websites and apps and recording your feedback in English. This is not a salary. It is groceries money. But if you speak clearly and you have a laptop, it's perfect. Where to apply? Usertesting.com, Testbirds, which is another German company and very legit. TryMatter, UTest. Number 3, we have online English tutoring. If you're already a native or fluent English speaker, this is a real asset. It is one of the most stable side hustles where you can apply Cambly, which is the easiest entry point and mainly for native speakers. Preply and italki, great for building your own client base. Lingoda, it is a German-based company with higher standards. You need a certificate and usually 2 to 3 years of experience, but it pays better. Our second category, the remote career hustles. These are not just gigs, they are real salaries requiring real skills. First, we have remote customer support. This is simply helping customers through chat or email. Germany is good for this because many Berlin startups operate fully in English. You can search on indeed.de, you search for English support, arbeitnow.com, remoteok.com, we work remotely, or LinkedIn, filter for remote jobs. Secondly, we have virtual assistant or online admin job. This involves calendar management, email handling, and research. This can quietly become a 1,500 to 3,000 per month side income. Where to find clients? Upwork and Fiverr. Also look at Facebook groups. Search for Berlin startup jobs, digital nomads, or expats in Germany. 3, we have content writing or editing. As much as AI has changed this space, companies still pay humans for strategy, editing, and storytelling. So where you can apply on Pro Blogger Job Board, Container, Upwork, EnglishJobs.de, or on LinkedIn. Search for content writer remote. For category number 3, we have Germany's specific hidden gems. These are the opportunities most foreigners completely miss. Number 1 on our list is remote mini jobs. This is very important. Some companies hire remote workers specifically on a mini job contract. This means you can earn up to 603 euros per month, tax-free, and the employer handles the paperwork. This is the safest side hustle in Germany. Where to find them? Check on stepstone.de, indeed.de. Number 2, we have translation and language services. This is good for you if you speak English and German, or English and French, or Spanish, or Arabic. These are the platforms you can check out: Django, Prozi, Upwork or Fiverr. Number 4, your existing professional skill. If you were a designer, accountant, software developer, or video editor back home, do that here. Platforms you can check out are TopTal. This is high level. Upwork and Freelancer, Malt, huge in EU. Now, let me be very honest with you. Finding the job is the easy part. The hard part in Germany is doing it legally. Many of these platforms assume you're allowed to freelance. Germany does not assume that. And if you start earning without the right status, the first letter you get is not from the platform. It is from the Finanzamt or the Ausländerbehörde. And those letters are not friendly. So in the next video, I will break down which visas allow side hustles and when freelancing is illegal. Because in Germany, how you earn matters just as much as how much you earn. If you want that video, let me know in the comments. And if you found this helpful, save it. This is one of those videos you'll come back to.